Planetary scientists study planets, moons, and other objects in our solar system and beyond. Their job is to find out how these worlds formed, what they're made of, and whether they could support life. They use data from space missions, telescopes, and lab experiments to investigate things like volcanoes on Mars, ice on the Moon, or the surface of asteroids. Some also help design future space missions or study planets around other stars, known as exoplanets. In the UK, a new planetary scientist might earn around £28,000 to £35,000 a year when working in research or at a university. With more experience, especially in senior research positions or leading projects, salaries can rise to between £40,000 and £60,000. Those working with major space agencies or in specialist research institutes may earn even more, depending on their role and responsibilities. To become a planetary scientist, most people start by studying science at A level, especially subjects like physics, maths, and chemistry. A university degree in a related subject, such as physics, geology, astronomy, or planetary science, is essential. Many also go on to do a master's or PhD to work in research. A strong interest in space, good problem-solving skills, and the ability to analyze data are all important in this career.